channel, guys. My returning subscribers, my new followers, new viewers, you all are welcome to the channel. Welcome to Legit Kenny channel, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for believing in me. I love you guys. Guys, this is boomprofit.io. It's actually an investment platform. This is boomprofit.io. The link is down there in the description box of this video. But before I proceed, guys, please kindly note that I'm not an investment advisor and I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions or whatever decisions you take on this website. Alright? You can as well do your own research before interacting with any website. So guys, it's gonna be a very short video. So it's actually an investment site, and to invest with this site, what you just have to do is come to this very place and click these dotted lines right here at the top left corner of this place. Now click on investment plans. Click on investment plans. You'll be needing Coinbase. You'll be needing Coinbase if you want to invest in this website. You'll be needing Coinbase to do your things in this website. So now they have different investment plans, and starting with the very first one right here, this is 200% after 100 days plus capital. You earning 200% after 100 days, which comes up with your own capital plus your capital inclusive. All right, so the next one, and following it, you're going to under it, you're going to see different cryptocurrencies you can invest in. You can use BTC, you can use BNB, you can use Dogecoin. Each of them have their minimums. You can use Tron, you can use Litecoin, you can use Bitcoin Cash, you can use USDT. So the next one here, the next plan right here is the level 2, which is $300, 300% after 100 days plus capital, and they have each of them have their minimum and maximum investments for each cryptocurrencies you're seeing here: the BTC, the BNB, the Doge, the Tron, the Litecoin, the Bitcoin Cash, the USDT. Now this is the third level, the level 3, 400% after 100 days. You're still seeing the same crypto assets down there under it, the BTC and the rest. And the level 5, which is 500% after 100 days, guys, plus your capital, 500% after 100 days. Then this is the level 6, which is 600% after 100 days. That is your capital into 6 places. That is 600% after 100 days. That's what it means by 600% after 100 days. I hope that is understood, guys. That is actually the highest plan on this platform that you can invest in. So if it is something I trust you, you can just click any of these packages. Let me just start with let me just show you the example of how to do it with the level 1, which, okay, let me just use BNB. So just click on this, and it gets highlighted, guys. Now scroll down a bit and click on choose plan, this blue button. Just click on choose plan, and you're going to see it will take you to the next page. Amount of BNB to invest: minimum 0.05 BNB, maximum is 7.5 BNB. Input amount to invest. So let me just say 2 BNB, for example. Now click on proceed. As you click on proceed, you're going to see invoice generated. Click OK to continue. You click on OK, you OK it. Now the page is loading to take us to the next page where you can complete the process. Alright, payment invoice level 1, 2 BNB. Please send to address Binance Smart Chain Network. Okay, now you just have to copy this and send to Binance. You just have to not send it to Binance. You just have to copy this and fund this account. Okay, now not all of them that you're going to be required to use Coinbase anyway. Like this very one, now you'll not be required to use Coinbase, but there are some crypto assets you select. You may be required to make use of Coinbase. Okay, let me just try Dogecoin. Let me try Dogecoin. Now I scroll down and click on choose plan. Let me say 500 Doge, for example. 500 Doge, guys. Invoice generated. You can see now, guys, Coinbase invoice generated. You can see, guys. right? Now on this page it says pay with Coinbase. Pay with Coinbase. You can see now, guys. So on this one now, you can pay with Coinbase. Now, how to do it? You can just click on pay with Coinbase, or but if you want to choose any other crypto asset, you can just tap on Dogecoin right here. Tap on Dogecoin, and you're going to see open a wallet. If you want to open a wallet, you can click on open a wallet, or you can just copy this by tapping on this copy and fund your Coinbase account. Sorry, and fund this account. That's just simple. Go to your Coinbase and fund this account. Is that simple, guys? These guys actually have good referral program. If you want to refer your friends, to come to this place again and click on this place and go down and click on referral program, guys. Click on referral programs to refer your friends. When your friends make a deposit, you can earn as much as 7% when they deposit. So this is system is a level 3 level referral system. You can earn 7%, 3%, 2% on investment subscription. You're free investing. So whenever you refer friends, you can earn 7% for your direct referrals. For the second generation referrals, when the people you refer others, you earn 3%. So when those ones refer others, you earn 2%. So that is 3 generation referral program. Okay, that is quite understood, guys. All right, so the next thing I want to show you here is okay, the withdrawal process. I've shown you guys how to deposit, the different plans, and how to make a deposit. So to withdraw your money, when you make money, you want to withdraw your money, just click on withdraw right here. Withdraw balances. That's where the withdrawal, you see the withdrawal process and how to make withdrawal from this side. You just have to come here and input the amount you want to withdraw. Select the type, withdrawal type. For example, that is the cryptocurrency you want to select. Tron, for example. Now select unit. You see select unit, and that's fine. You click on withdraw, guys, and that's it. Now, guys, please like this video and give this video a thumbs up, guys. Like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you have been watching this video and you've not subscribed, do well to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, so that each time I drop an update in this channel, it will pop up on your YouTube and you get notified instantly, guys. Do well to also join my Telegram group. The link is also down there in the description box of this video, and also the link to register in this site is also down there in the description box of this video. That's actually the very first link down there in the description box of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one, guys. Leave your comments down there in the comment section of this video. If you have any questions to ask, or something you want to interact with me in the comment section, you can drop your comments down there. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.